Welcome. Today I am with Skullcandy Crusher ANC headphones, and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Android phone. So at the first, you have to turn them on, and you can make it by looking on the left headphone. You have to find this button, click and hold it. Keep holding. And right now, when this indicator blinks on the red and blue, it means that we are in the pairing mode. So we can put our headset back. Next, we have to open the Bluetooth settings, enable, and then just find Skullcandy Crusher ANC headphones. Okay, I'm already connected, but I'm gonna just unpair them and take a look. Okay, take a look right now. They will appear right here, so you have to tap on them once. Click pair, and as you can see right now we are connected. So the next step, we can just use them right now, but it will be also good to get the Skullcandy application. With this app you can simply get more features, so take a look. Right now we can open. Tap to continue and swipe to the right, click to get started, accept this stuff, click to continue and accept the location permission. Right now you have to click to add the new device. In my case, this headset is detected automatically because we turn it on, so click to connect. Okay, we are unfortunately not connected, so let's turn them off and turn them on back. Click to ready to try again when indicators is blinking. Try one more time and click yes. As you can see right now we are successfully connected with the application. So the next step, we have to go back for the Bluetooth settings and then just select our Crusher ANC and connect them by tapping on the connect button. Right now we are connected. It looks a little bit strange for me because in the normal cases when you connect your headset with application, you'll be also connected by Bluetooth settings, but right here it works different, so that's strange honestly, because it shows you that you are connected, but when you try to play music, it will go from the phone speaker instead of the headset. So we have to just move to the Bluetooth settings and just switch to them manually. And the other devices, it just happens automatically. But here, I don't know, maybe they will fix it in the next updates. But yeah, that's basically how we can connect the Skullcandy Crusher ANC headset with your Android phone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.